We left from Calgary and flew to the Kennedy Space Center in Florida. We saw models of the Hubble Space Telescope and the shuttle. We went on a very rare tour to the Vehicle Assembly Building. We're looking at 2 of the 4 high bays from outside of the building. Each stripe on the US flag is as wide as 1 lane of a highway. Each star is 6 feet from point to point. The building is 52 stories high, or 525 feet. The building encloses more space than the Great Pyramid of Giza. These are 2 of the crane hooks. The one in the back can hold 50 tons. The one in the front can hold 325 tons. The security guard is 6 feet tall. You are now looking 525 feet straight up to the ceiling of the transfer aisle. That hole is used for shipping parts by crane to the high bay 2. The far door of the transfer aisle is 700 feet away. This picture shows them using the crane to make a shuttle stand up. We saw the shuttle Endeavour in high bay 3. Endeavour went up to space 25 times. The nose piece has been removed to get rid of toxic chemicals before Endeavour is shipped to Los Angeles on the back of a 747. This is how tall high bay 3 is compared to a shuttle. This is a human door compared to a part of the high bay door. It looks like a mouse hole. The crawler vehicle moves the shuttle and rockets to a launch pad. This is my dad's foot compared to the size of a crawler tread. Here's the crawler road to launch pad A. The crawler is so wide it straddles the grass using both lanes. We also saw a Saturn V rocket. This is me and my mom compared to the size of the thrusters. My dad walked all the way under the Saturn V rocket. Stage 1 propels the rocket to 5,000 miles per hour to escape Earth's gravity. It consumes 15 tons of fuel every second, lasting only 2.5 minutes. Stage 2 of the rocket accelerates it to 15,000 miles per hour. It lasts 6.5 minutes. Stage 3 of the rocket is fired twice. The first firing accelerates the rocket to 17,000 miles per hour. The second firing accelerates to 24,000 miles per hour. This ring holds all the computer modules that control when each part of the rocket fires and then breaks off and falls back to Earth's oceans. The control ring fits above us in this gap. The service module of the rocket contains the astronauts' sleeping quarters and bathroom. We're looking at the command module. 3 astronauts sat here for many hours before launch and during the ride into space. They also sat here for re-entry into Earth's atmosphere. And this is the real Kitty Hawk command module from Apollo 14. Here is how cramped it is to sit in the command module. We saw and touched a moon rock. These spacesuits were concept, but only one was used. This is the van that moved astronauts to the launch pad. Here is the lunar lander that astronauts used to land on the moon. Here is a model of the Saturn V rocket. In real life, it is 36 stories or 363 feet tall. This man is 6 feet tall compared to the rocket. And here's the crawler underneath the rocket platform. Thanks for watching my video about the Kennedy Space Center.